Salt Cellars. It's a funny name. Even funnier, sometimes they're called salt pigs, but we'll keep them as a salt cellar today. Salt cellars have been around so long that there are wonderful stories behind them. In the Middle Ages, they were very, very elaborate and big. You could show how much wealth you had by the size and the ornate structure of your salt cellar. And you could tell who was more important and who was less important by where they were placed on the table in regards to where the salt cellar was. In other words, the head of the table, the owner of the castle, would have this beautiful ornate salt cellar. If you were very, very important, you would be seated above the salt, closer to him. If you were maybe not so much, you were at the other end of the table or below the salt. So these are just a bunch of different ideas on how to do salt cellars, because the cool thing about this, they don't all have to match. Sometimes they come in cute little sets of 4, but I personally like mix and match on my table. It starts a whole conversation. You can have things as simple as a little white one. You could have something as fun as a small bowl that you pick up in Sicily, like I picked this one up. You could have something as fabulous as this beautiful swan with a gold spoon. Or you could even have something like a set from Victorian England times. It's not perfect. It's missing one. It's missing 2 of these fabulous little spoons. And I didn't care because I mix and match anyway. So it was wonderful. They can be lidded. This is a friend of mine. She doesn't care that it's all chipped. It's part of the joy and wonder of it. This one actually has 2 lids. It's got an interesting scooper for the salt, and then 1 lid, and then this goes on top, and it becomes a cute little apple for your table. These are just a few of the examples, but find them on your visits all over the city, someplace close to you, or in your travels, like Sicily. Use them. They're fun. Salt, pepper, different colored salts. They start a conversation.